Alright, welcome to SC Custom Designs. We're in the backyard. You may recognize the poly shed. Look up those episodes. We have the bandsaw box outside in this amazing sun we have here today. And you could probably see more details of the bandsaw box. If you're not familiar with my bandsaw box series, I invite you to watch them. The series where we take pieces of wood, glue them up, and we show you every step of the process, so you too can make bandsaw boxes. This is more of an advanced bandsaw box. Now if I showed you what that came out of, you would be very, very impressed, I believe. It was basically a table I found on the side of the road. If we turn it this way, you can see that there are 4 pieces. You can see better up here, those 4 pieces. All right, and these are the 4 corners that were joined up. And so there you go. Decided that I would make a unit that comes apart. I could sell them independently or as a set. And if I brought them this way, they can be bookends. I'm quite excited about this. So we are near the end of the process, and really I just have a lot of sanding and minimal shaping at this point. Pretty happy with the shape that I have it. So let's just have a look at it. Turn it around. This is the back. I haven't done any sanding, so that'll give you an idea of the differences when you start sanding up your unit. I did actually less sanding on this one. So let's turn it this way, and you can see that he is joined up there. This piece here was supposed to be on this side, and but I actually like the outcome. And look how interesting that drawer is, my friends. So who knows what the customer is going to use this for. Love that knot right there. And down here you can see where there was a screw that was in the wood. Thankfully I didn't hit that screw with my bandsaw. So there you go. All right, just a little bit of an update. I will be putting handles on the front, and I'm thinking I'm going to make the handles somewhat the shape of the drawers. That'll give us some more character. Like I said, I'm near the end of the project, although what can't really be appreciated is all the sanding, and you know, those of you who make these things, you know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, really much of it's an ad hoc video that I made here because I went and looked outside and I thought, that's so beautiful. Let's go ahead and just do something quick there. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.